2023 was not a year of YouTube shorts to me, but I managed to create a few of them, and within those few, there are only 5 of them which are absolutely worth a rewatch.
In the next few seconds, I'll show you how to create this logo icon and save it as a PNG. Add a quick text and go to Advanced. Use the text box and create 2 lines crossing each other. OK. Right-click the preview window and tick Show Safe Zones. Use this 3 dots image for the dimensions accuracy. Now drag your image into the timeline. Go to Mask with a double click. Take the pen tool and draw like this. Hide the 3 dots image and the text. Then take a screen capture. Oh sorry, this is a short video, and my time is up. Check the part 2 video link in the description so that we can finish our logo icon. So we are creating a logo icon using Filmora, and this is part 2. Check the description for part 1. Hide the 3 dots image and the text, then take a screen capture. Then replace the first image with the screen capture. Go to the Effects menu, find the border effect, and drag it onto the image. Adjust the size and color. Now add 3D default text, and you can customize it your way. Now, for the element, navigate to Stickers and look for Streaming Gaming Champion. You will notice a paid element here. So since our output is a PNG, you can use this element for free. Go to the project settings and make sure it's set to maximum quality. And now you can take your final screen capture.
Wait, let me show you how you can adjust color presets in Filmora. You may want to add one of these presets to your video, but one thing is, 70% of them are not adjustable. Only a few like Cool Max, Warm Max and Boost Color. But now here is the simple way to be able to adjust the unadjustable. Go to Effects and search for Custom Lot. Drag it to your video. And as you can see, there is no change on the video because lot is still empty. So double-click the video, and go Effects. Click under 3D Lot and here you can choose the preset. And now you can use the alpha to adjust the amount of the preset.
Did you know that you can now slow down your videos in Wondershare Filmora with the best option of frame blending as well as optical flow? Alright, let me show you a few simple steps to achieve this. Double select your video and then go to speed. Right here you can reduce the speed the way you want it to be. Now you leave the reverse speed unselected, the ripple edit unselected, and let the maintain pitch selected. And right here is where the whole story begins. The frame sampling is the default, but we have these 2 options which are more effective: the frame blending as well as the optical flow. So the best option for us is the optical flow. Now even if you have selected this option, the job is not over yet. Head over to the video tab and then go to the AI tools. Right here you scroll down and you find the stabilization feature. After it's done stabilizing the video, we go on and then render for a smooth preview. Now don't forget to subscribe and check for more content from this channel. This is the easiest explanation for you to understand the keyframing panel in Wondershare Filmora 13. When you check right here, you see there's a timeline. There are controls to zoom in and out your timeline. And there are graphical controls right here which are fine because there's no keyframe that is selected right now. And when we add a transform keyframe, you're going to see other keyframes lining downwards in this way, with the first keyframe representing the x-axis of the scale. And so the second keyframe is representing the y-axis also of the scale. Going downwards, you find out the third keyframe is representing the x-axis of the position. And with the same pattern, the fourth keyframe is representing the y-axis of the position. And of course, the last keyframe is representing the rotation. If you increase the scale after a few frames, you're going to see these 2 keyframes added right here representing that you have changed the scale of the subject. Now you must check out this video right here for a full complete guide to keyframing in Wondershare Filmora 13.